At Colquitt Christian Academy, we don't do kindergarten graduation because graduation means the end. Instead, we celebrate a beginning. That's what the Genesis ceremony is all about. Our kindergartners are recognized as they start their journey in classical Christian education. Parents write a heartfelt letter filled with prayers and encouragement that will be sealed away until their junior year Touchstone Ceremony. To end, families lay hands on their children, praying aloud for their future. The Genesis ceremony is a powerful tradition at CCA, marking the start of a lifelong pursuit of wisdom, virtue, and faith.